What is Noopener and does it affect SEO? Let's get into it. Noopener is mostly used when links open in a new tab. It's commonly used with target blank. When you use target blank to open a link in a new tab without Noopener, there is a security risk. And to avoid that security risk, we use Noopener. When you use target blank to open up a new tab, the new page can still talk to the original page, and that can introduce a risk. And Noopener prevents that from happening, keeping your site safe. So you might be wondering, what does a Noopener have to do with SEO? Well, it's not directly about rankings. Google doesn't use Noopener as a ranking signal. But having a secure, well-built site is good for overall SEO. If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on SEO and web development. If you have more questions like this, leave a comment and I'll reply. Thank you for watching.